can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama. The altcoin market is going crazy. Altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. We're seeing double-digit gains on a daily, on a weekly time frame. Kusama over the last 1 week has not joined the party. It's up 9.9%. On a monthly time frame, it's up 16%. With a market cap of $340 million, with Kusama trading at $21, how high do we expect it to go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is a new all-time highs possible? Can we rally above where we're trading in March of 2024? Where are those key levels where we face resistance on our journey to new all-time highs? We'll take a look at the Kusama US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. We'll look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, Kusama's performance against Ethereum, Kusama's market cap, and finally, we'll take a look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. As there's extreme greed right now, we're waiting for that epic alt-season pump. Where will Kusama end the year? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. If you're new to this channel, you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. If you want to become a member, if you want to become a legend, link in the description. Let's get down to business. With all coins pumping, with Bitcoins trading around $90,000, with extreme greed being in the cryptocurrency market, we are currently entering alt season. Some will say alt season is already here. All coins are going parabolic. Guys, in the coming days and coming weeks, things are going to get nutty, things are going to get crazy. So you want to have a plan, you want to plan your trade, and you want to trade your plan. Kusama has been here since the previous bull market. Kusama was one of the biggest gainers in the previous bull market. From when it was trading in December of 2019 around the $1 level, we saw Kusama rally to new all-time highs. And by the end of the bull market in May of 2021, Kusama was up by more than 59,000%. It went from $1 to around $636. $1,000 invested in Kusama would have given you more than $590,000. The altcoin market can be very volatile. The volatility works in both ways. You can see huge pumps to the moon, but then when we start dumping to Goblin Town, guys, you can also see huge dump to Goblin Town. And that's what happened to Kusama in its first full crypto bear market, losing 97% of its value, which is not strange. Bitcoin has gone down 97% at some point in time in its history. Ethereum has gone down 97%. Kusama was only doing its part like other great coins before it. Kusama finally rallied up to new highs in 2024. That new highs was not new all-time highs, it was just new yearly highs. We saw Kusama trading around the $63 level in 2024 March. That was a 269% pump to the upside. That was a very, very short-lived rally. We saw Bitcoin getting to as high as $73,000. The altcoin market looked as if it was pumping to the moon, but we got stopped out at that $61 level. And ever since then, we've seen Kusama dump back to Goblin Town. Ever since then, we've seen Kusama get to new lows, even getting to as low as $14. In the coming days and the coming weeks, key levels to watch out for Kusama. First, we will need to see a confidence rally above that $26 level. If we blast above that $26 level, it's all clear skies. We are going to make an attempt to rally to new yearly highs. We'll make an attempt to rally above the $61 level. We can do that. Kusama will do that, and that $61 level, we'll see it pumping aggressively to the moon. Things will get crazy, things will get very, very exciting with extreme greed being in the cryptocurrency market. Expect to see market participants going front, left, and center. Guys, when we start pumping aggressively to the moon, you want to keep a clear head. When we start pumping aggressively to the moon, you want to plan your trade and trade your plan. If we see Kusama rallying up, maybe to as high as $200, that will see Kusama pumping by 800+% from where we are currently trading. Can it pump 800% from where we are currently trading? It's very, very possible, but you have to wait and you have to pay attention to this key resistance level, because at any point in time, we can see the big wheel selling and then we'll be heading back to Goblin Town. Let's take a look at some key details about Kusama. With a market cap of $340 million, 24-hour trading volume of more than $30 million, Kusama has a circulating supply of 15.73 million coins. All-time high happened for Kusama on the 18th of May 2021. Traded for as high as $623. Right now it's down 99.68% from its all-time highs. If you want to get some Kusama tokens for yourself, you can get on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on Kraken, on BitGet, on KuCoin, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Kusama tokens right there. If you take a look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, It has been dumping to Goblin Town. It had a huge pump in 2021. The pump saw it outperforming Bitcoin aggressively. It rallied up by more than 13,000% against Bitcoin. What happened since then? It has been dumping to Goblin Town. All coins can be volatile, guys. The volatility works in both ways. They can easily pump to the moon. They can easily dump to Goblin Town, erasing all the gains they made when they were pumping to the moon. That's exactly what Kusama has done. In the coming days and the coming weeks, we're expecting a pump to the upside for Kusama. Nothing crazy, nothing outrageous, maybe not new all-time highs, but we expect a counter rally. This time around, Kusama could easily see an 800% pump to the upside. Against Bitcoin and against Ethereum, it will also see an 800% pump to the upside. Because against Ethereum, similar story to its chart against Bitcoin, we've seen Kusama rally to new all-time highs, but by the end of the bull market in 2021, it has been dumping to Goblin Town, and since then, it has not been able to set higher highs and higher lows. It has only been setting lower highs and lower lows, which means it's still bearish, erasing all the gains we made in the previous bull market. In the coming days and the coming weeks, as the altcoin market goes parabolic, as altcoins start having joy, and we see a lot of people flipping their Bitcoin and Ethereum back into the altcoin market, you expect to see Kusama pumping aggressively to the moon. Kusama is self-described as Polkadot wild cousin. Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massive interoperable and scalable framework for developers. Kusama is built on Substrate, a blockchain building kit developed by Parity Technologies. Kusama has almost the same code base as Polkadot, one of the most successful interoperable blockchains. By deploying on Kusama, fast-paced projects gain access to highly scalable, interoperable, and sharded network with features that are not yet available on Polkadot. To that end, Kusama described itself as a canary network. The platform is designed to provide a test bed for developers looking to innovate and deploy their own blockchain, and that can be used as a preparatory network before launching on Polkadot, though many projects opt to stick with Kusama for their final product. If you take a look at Kusama's market cap, which currently sits at $300 million, the previous bull market saw Kusama's market cap topping around the $5 billion region. For us to get there, we'll have a lot of work to do. Kusama's market cap will need to rally outrageously by more than 1,400%, which is possible. We saw that happen in the previous bull market from where Kusama was trading. We saw it getting to that all-time highs in just 189 days. But before we get to that all-time highs, guys, it's going to be a lot of difficulties along the way. Kusama will have to rally above $530 million. We have gotten rejected there multiple times. We have been consolidating below that $530 million level for over 2 years right now. If Kusama can blast above it, we might see it have some difficulties around the $1.7 billion level. And it can blast above that, we'll see it making an attempt for the previous all-time highs. There's extreme green in the cryptocurrency market, guys. Kusama trades at $21. We're expecting a big pump to the upside. What's your own price target for Kusama in the coming days and the coming weeks? Do you think it's possible for us to reach new all-time highs, to blast above the highs we got to in 2021, which is the $61 level? Do you see Kusama trading above $61 before the end of the year? Are you adding more to your moon bags? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications. Get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.